What is the Freedom app?
Freedom is a productivity tool designed to help you block distracting websites and apps. By creating customizable block lists, it supports better focus whether you work, study, or simply want less screen time. The app works across multiple platforms: Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and even Chrome OS, so you can keep distractions away on all your devices with one account.
Setting up Freedom on your devices.
To get started, download the Freedom app from its website or your device's app store. Sign up for an account, then follow the setup prompts for each device you want to protect. Once logged in, your settings and block lists can sync automatically, ensuring a consistent, distraction-free experience everywhere.
Creating block lists and sessions.
Use the app to create custom block lists, collections of websites or apps you want to block. You can choose from popular pre-made lists or add specific sites. When ready, start a Freedom session by picking your block list and choosing its length. The app restricts access on all selected devices for the session's duration, helping you maintain focus.
Multi-device synchronization.
Freedom allows you to block distractions across multiple devices simultaneously. When you launch a session, it automatically applies your chosen block lists on every enrolled device. This means you can't simply switch to your phone or tablet to bypass blocks, making it easier to stick to your productivity goals.
Tips for getting the most from Freedom.
Schedule regular sessions to build productive routines and experiment with different block lists to match your needs. Use Freedom's locked mode for extra commitment, which makes it impossible to end sessions prematurely. Regularly review and adjust your lists. And remember, the app works best when paired with your own motivation to avoid distractions.